What's up, fellow polymaths? In this video of the Java Fundamentals tutorial, we'll be going over StringBuffer and StringBuilder. StringBuffer, unlike the regular string class, can be used to create a mutable string. So a mutable string is an instance that cannot be changed, or an object that cannot be changed. StringBuffer is a thread-safe string, which means that only one thread can access the StringBuffer object at one time, and other threads have to wait their turn to access that object. Consider the word buffer, which is a section of the computer memory for temporarily storing information. StringBuffer is faster than the regular string class since it doesn't require creating a new instance when concatenating strings. So with the regular string class, when you have to concatenate strings, you have to create a new instance of that string object. So some common used StringBuffer methods are the append, which basically appends the specific string with this string with another string. So you can think of it like a concatenation. Insert, similar to like the string method of insert, just inserts the specified string with the passed-in string. There's replace, which replaces a specific index of the string. Then there's delete and reverse, length, and substring. And there's many other methods besides these, but these are just some simple examples and ones that are most frequently used for StringBuffer. Let's test out the StringBuffer class. So here we can create a StringBuffer object. So here we just make this message named hello equals new StringBuffer. And in here, it's optional, but you can pass in a parameter in this constructor of the StringBuffer. So in this case, we can just say hello. So in our message StringBuffer object, we can just try to append something. So let's append another string. So let's call this universe, very creative. So let's output that message. All I have to do is just call the message object. And then after we just run this, and here we have our hello universe. So it works similar like string, except in this case, it's thread safe. While you might not see it, it's when you're working with threads, it's thread safe. So only one thread will be able to access the string and the other threads will have to wait. Another thing you can do is getting the length of the string. So just like regular strings, StringBuffer includes the .length method. So we can just output that as well. And here we have length of 14. So hello universe is 14 characters in total. StringBuilder, like StringBuffer, is also used to create a mutable string. StringBuilder has very similar methods as StringBuffer and is used in a similar way. But there are some differences between the StringBuilder and StringBuffer. With StringBuilder, it's not synchronized, so it's basically not synchronized means not thread safe, whereas StringBuffer is thread safe. As you recall, StringBuffer is thread safe because only one thread is able to access the string object while the other threads have to wait, whereas with StringBuilder, that's not the case. But because of this, StringBuilder is slightly more faster than StringBuffer. Since the threads don't necessarily have to wait for the string objects, they run faster, but that's at the cost of thread safety. So depending on what you're trying to do, you can use either StringBuilder if you want more speed to access the string objects, or a StringBuffer to prevent multiple threads from trying to access the same resource. So here, let's just test out StringBuilder, and it's going to be the same, pretty much the same that we did with StringBuffer. So here we're going to initialize a StringBuilder object called message. Let's not put anything in the parameters, make it a little bit different. So in this case, we can append a string. So let's say this is and a bunch of dots. So let's append another StringBuilder object with lots of exclamations, and let's output that. So as you can see here, we have the message object that outputs this is a StringBuilder object. So in this case, there was a StringBuilder is mutable, so there was only one object that was used in here. Essentially, StringBuilder and StringBuffer work very similarly, but some of the differences might require you to utilize either StringBuilder or StringBuffer. So here's an assignment for this topic. Create a simple statement that concatenates at minimum 3 strings. Use both StringBuffer and StringBuilder. For this assignment, you don't want to, let's not combine the StringBuffer and StringBuilder objects. You just want to use them on their own objects. If this video was of any value to you, please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.